Samsung has released a significant and substantial update for the S22 series, namely Galaxy One UI 6.1. This update brings all the key advancements of advanced intelligence, previously reserved for the S24 series, now also available for S22 owners. This is truly a noteworthy announcement because it keeps the phone up to date, introducing numerous new features that can genuinely simplify our lives and enhance our daily productivity if used correctly. In this video, I won't delve into the technical specifications of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as I do in other videos discussing cameras or user experience. I've dedicated an entire video to that, so if you're interested, I'll leave the link at the end of this video. Instead, I want to give you a quick update to showcase all the new features introduced with this significant software update. Now, you can quickly search on Google directly from images, thanks to the circle and search function, just like from screenshots or the web. Even better, if you're out for a stroll and spot something interesting and want to know more, simply snap a photo, long press on the object, and the phone will take care of the rest. If you want to explore all the other fantastic features of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has released a guide showing you everything the phone can do, such as real-time call translation, writing assistance, summarizing and translating voice recordings, and much more. This allows you to try out some of these features directly from the guide, making it super practical to familiarize yourself with the phone and make the most of all its capabilities. It's worth noting that all these new features haven't weighed down the operating system, which is a huge advantage. I haven't noticed any slowdowns or loss of smoothness between animations or loading times. Everything seems well integrated and fluid across different functions. Among all the new additions, one of my favorites is definitely the revamped photo editor, which has replaced the old object eraser. With this feature, we can truly see how artificial intelligence can work wonders. Now we can edit our photos much more advancedly, removing objects or people, or moving elements from one part of the image to another. But what impressed me the most is the AI's ability to recreate the background incredibly naturally and realistically. Another feature that I particularly love for the Ultra series is the implementation of artificial intelligence in Samsung's Notes app. This is an incredibly useful addition, especially for those who heavily use the S Pen. Thanks to this innovation, it's possible to further expand usage possibilities and speed up workflow, such as with automatic text formatting within a note. Imagine, for example, having an interesting article on the web or a PDF file and wanting to quickly summarize it, creating easily readable key points. Now, with Samsung Note, this operation has become extremely simple. Or, if you've written a text and want to rework it more concisely, Samsung's advanced intelligence can work for you, speeding up the process effortlessly. These are just some of the many features that Samsung's advanced intelligence has made available, and surely over time they will be further increased and significantly improved. What's truly surprising is that all of this is present on the Samsung S22 Ultra, a phone that's been around for a few years now but still remains a high-end device. This means that for those who already own one or are thinking of getting one, they won't have to miss out on the rich features that Samsung introduced this year in the 24 series. What about you? Have you already updated your phone and tried out all the new features of Samsung's artificial intelligence? And with that, this video wraps up. If you enjoyed it, leave a free like and subscribe for future tech updates. See you next time.